Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to reset your NAV Online account password. If you don't have a NAV Prime account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for Profile and Settings. Under Profile and Settings, you will see several information. Scroll down to the bottom. Under Manage Account, you will see an option that says Change Password. Click on Change Password. On this page, you will see the email address where the password reset instructions will be sent. If everything looks correct, click on Send Reset Email to receive the link to reset your password. The email you will receive will look like this. Here, click on the link that says Reset Password. You will then be redirected on this page. On the first field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the second field to confirm. Once entered, click on Reset Password. That's how you reset your NAV Online account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.